Hello kids and welcome back. Today we are going to look at some more controls. Today we are going to learn about if then else statement. These statements are very much used in every programs when we are programming our programs, games, robots or anything. We will have to use if then statements and if then else statements. So what happens here if okay, then do what? Then move 10 steps. Okay, if not, move minus 10 steps. So this means if I am touching the panda, it is going to move forward, otherwise it is going to go backwards, and it has to be forever. Same way, we have to just get this one and drag it and put it in forever. It will just adjust by itself like a magnet. Let's start our game, and it is going back, and if I'm touching it, it is going forward. Okay, so I have to keep my mouse on it so it keeps on going forward, otherwise it is going to go back always. So that's how if then else statement. If I'm touching it, it's going forward. If I'm not touching it, it is going backwards. So there are more controls here. Repeat while something is happening, repeat it. Repeat until something happens forever. We have seen that. There are another things. Repeat 10 times. If you don't want it for, let's say, forever, I want it repeated only 10 times. So what happens here? Okay, it is going to repeat 10 times, not it is not going to do it forever. Okay, okay, it just goes 10 steps and stops there. If I am okay, I have to do it, let's say, because it's not giving me some time to uh, go to the panda. Okay, so it has done it 50 times and then stopped. Okay, let's do it one steps at a time. Okay, all right, so there it did it for 50 times. There are many other controls. We are going to look them when we are going to make our games and understand them while we are in productions. We also have sensing. These are another commands, other things. And then we have operators. These one, if something is happening, something is greater than 50, something is less than 50, if banana is equal to apples or apples are not equal to banana. So we can use these operators as well. We are going to use all these things, rest of these things, while we are making our live games. And there is one more thing I want to tell you, that is variables. These variables are something that these are the blocks we make by ourselves, and these are the values. Let's say I want to show the score in my game. That's where we are going to use variables. Uh, we are going to discuss that and see them in practical when we are going to make our games. From now on, we are going to start making our games, our programs from the next module. That's all for today. See you in the next module, and we are going to start our making our first program and our first game. See you there. Bye bye now.